Here is an introduction to breathwork in 90 seconds. Breathwork is an ancient practice that involves deep conscious breathing techniques to help you find inner peace and transformation. The main idea of breathwork is to draw your attention in and away from your chaotic and often overactive mind. Through focused breathing, you will become more aware of your body and emotions and help you find a sense of stillness within yourself. By connecting with the breath, you will give yourself permission to deeply relax, cultivate self-awareness, and tap into your inner wisdom. The practice of breathwork can often lead to profound insights and healing. It has the power to help you process suppressed emotions, release physical stress, clear mental blocks, and awaken creativity. Now, let's look at the different types of breathwork. Breathwork basics are used by anyone seeking to be more present, focused, calm, and productive. Holotropic breathwork is often used to help those dealing with depression, anxiety, or trauma. Shamanic breathwork helps reconnect participants with divine source energy. And then there's advanced healing breathwork, which is used for spiritual exploration. All breathwork is a form of meditation and is an essential mindfulness practice. So, if you're looking for the fast track to inner peace and transformation, breathwork is the practice for you. I invite you to give breathwork a try. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. Check out my breathwork tutorials on my channel and subscribe today.